dropped the pipe load, gang. Yo, this damn entrance over here was so fucking tight. I had to swing way over there to get that thing in there. There's the gate. I'm actually gonna put that picture as a thumbnail for this video. Could be a little straighter, but I only got 2 minutes on my clock. I don't feel like messing around with it. I'm ready to go off duty, so I can be ready by 7 o'clock by the time dispatch get in. Yeah, since we got that new ELD update, man, that damn drive time kicks on so damn quick. I was off duty for 45 minutes sitting in here. As soon as I backed out and got ready to come out here and park, went right back to drive. Night, gang. Your boy about to catch some Z's.
Melton Truck Lines. This is one of the best writing pens that I've had. This pen writes so smooth. I never get rid of it. Hey, shout out Thomas Williams. Pull it up real quick. Mr. Thomas Williams from Littleton, North Carolina. Yeah, he commented on my, hey, I remember your comment, and you said, when's the next video dropping? And I said, I don't know, man, because I ain't had time. Yeah, I know you busy, bro. Where them videos at? Got to live my trucker dream through you until I can get back out there on the road again. Mr. Wheel, 415477. shout you out, bruh. I made this video for you. Yeah, I just got me a load, man. It is, what time is it right now? 8:33. Just got the load. McWayne Ductile. It's going to Charlotte, North Carolina to deliver Monday. I already pulled up the deadhead on it. 2956. Yeah, I already pulled up the deadhead. And it's like, I think it's like, I want to say it's like 94 miles, something like that. 64 miles, but an hour and 9 minute drive. So depending on the traffic, I might make it home today. I might not make it till early in the morning. Good thing is I haven't started my clock yet. Let me go ahead and write all this damn stuff down now, so I don't gotta come back to the truck. Man, sometimes you get to these places, and I always take my phone with me just in case I miss something on the TransFlow app. But sometimes they might ask you for the pickup number, and I always had a pickup number, but sometimes it might be a different number than what they told me. But sometimes they ask you the destination or where it's going to. 28206. I guess they ask you that just so you know, in case something happened to the load. I might not be who I say I am. I might just be a stranger hopped in this P&S truck and drove this truck to their property to get this load. I might not be who I say I am. So they try to hit you with the trick question. Well, where's the load going? Hey man, hey, better safe than sorry, man. Hey, it's might have happened. It's probably happened. I'm pretty sure it has happened in all these trucking years. Somebody show up with a truck to get a load. Like, yeah, I'm here to pick up load 2 pipes. But damn, they ain't. Hey, you know, I can't get the shit out. Y'all know what I'm saying. Yeah, it's probably has happened before. I would not be surprised. And these trucking years, however long it's been. Yeah, it's got so many numbers on this one, man. It's got like 5 different numbers. I remember the time I went and picked up some Bobcat tractors. SN03303. Yeah, I remember one time I picked up some Bobcat tractors, man, and the damn, the hell? Oh, I was about to say, I know it ain't 2 stops. Yeah, it ain't 2 stops. I'm gonna write these numbers down. Yeah, I went and picked up some Bobcat tractors one time. And I actually had to get the serial numbers to pick them things up. Yeah, I didn't know what the damn serial number was. So I had to go back to my Qualcomm and look through the Qualcomm and figure out what it was. But anyway, I'm about to head out. I got everything I need. Only thing I got left to do is put the address on my GPS, and I'm gone. Let's do this, gang.
like we made it. Shipping and receiving. Contractors, visitors, truck drivers, hard hat, safety glasses, safety toe boots are required.
In 200 feet, turn left on Sitgreb Street and then approaching destination on the right side in 290 feet.
But we already knew that. So we can't prepare.
Make a U-turn if possible and then turn right in 490 feet.
Y'all heard my GPS talking about making a U-turn. We already here. Not sure where I'm going, but I'm pretty sure somebody gonna stop me. No one allowed on. I guess we'll sit here. Uh-oh, Migo. Hey, Migo always look out. They tell you where to go. Hey, isn't it ironic? I just dropped off a steel pipe load. Oh, that's not even a Migo, that's a white guy. What's up, man? Yes, sir.
Alright. We got a little bit of road construction going on, so if you've been here before, we don't get a turnaround today. What you can do is go up there about half, then back up, and then park over in front of that pickup truck, and then come in the office. So I was just trying to turn up that hill, back up so you can swing around and get over there.
All right. And come in the office.
Yeah, straight shot right over here.
All right. Yeah, I never been here before. Y'all notice I got pants on. I usually wear shorts. But you know, you got some places, no shorts. Gotta have the pants. But I know y'all already know that. A lot of y'all wear pants anyway. I usually wear pants while I'm loading, while I'm securing the load. But when I get back in my truck, I put my shorts on. But lately, since it's been so damn hot, some places will allow you shorts on. So when I get to the place, I find out. If I see other people walking around in shorts, I keep them on. What I got here, yeah, they told me long pants. Y'all want to see my Olympic pose? Olympic pose. Boys all American. It's another pipe load. Let's go ahead and get this thing secured. Let's go ahead and get it secured so I can get the hell out of here. Cause yeah, I do got do have enough time to make it home. Yeah, I plan on getting home today. Minimum of 4 straps to get outside the gate. That's what they told me. I just carried the same exact load. I just brought the same exact load up here. The one I had 5 straps on the back and 4 on the front. The reason I had 5 was because it had more pipes on it. The one in the back did. But I did the same thing on this one. So it don't hurt to be a little extra secure. So I put 5 on the back, 4 on the front. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, gang. That's the end of this video. Cause as soon as I go run across the scale, that's it. Flatbed gang, man. I'll be in Vegas next week. Y'all stay tuned. I'm out.